Hello everybody, today we are doing a restoration on the wrapping butler, which he definitely needs a full restoration. He is not doing that well. So let me get Mike, let's get this guy open and try to get him working. Second, need to find the, alright. So yeah, just pulled this guy out of storage, and first things first, the head turn's not working, even though the gear's perfectly fine. Gotta replace this gear and rewire this. The only thing that's really... Let me test the head really fast to see if it works or not. If it doesn't, then that means some circuitry needs to be redone. This is a 9-volt AC adapter that I'm plugging into her. The speaker came off and something's not right. He is very messed up. I don't know really what's wrong with him. And I'll be getting back with you whenever I do more progress.